So at the risk of oversimplifying it, Tammy, is when you say that there's an issue with the curriculum, as you're both stating here, is perhaps the issue that we're seeing an overcorrection to the problems of the 80s in math curriculum? Because I think, and again, I'm you guys are the experts here, but from what I've heard from math experts in the past is that the one flaw of, not the one flaw, but one of the flaws of that 80s style of math that you all and I learned was that maybe it was a little too over-reliant on memorization and formulas where,
Yes.
when you learn how to do long division, for example, you learn the process and the procedure and how to make the numbers carry over, but nobody actually explains to the students what it means when you move those numbers.
Yes.
And so when you get to the more complicated math, you don't have the reasoning skills required. And so the modern instruction in math is supposed to be the correction of that, where we're relying less on kind of the rote formulas and processes and more on kind of creating this number sense and reasoning. But maybe what you're saying here is that we've gone a little too far in the other direction, and now we need to go back and learn a little bit more formula and process again?
You just identified the problem so well. And I think that's wonderful.
Right.
And I think there's an awareness of the problem. It's just the solutions that have been proposed haven't quite worked, obviously.
Right.
Like look at our math scores.
Right.
Right. So what Mathnasium has figured out is what is the proper blend?
Yeah. What's
Like
that
how
balance?
what was wonderful from traditional 80s math? And what did it actually need? What spices did it actually need to make it amazing, to make it taste amazing, to make kids love it, to make kids be able to compute so well and to love math?
Well, to really understand what's going on.
And to know when to use an algorithm or a calculator and when to just do it in their head. To not get a problem 101 minus 99 and need to use an algorithm for it. To know that that's a great problem to use your mental math skills. And let's think, how far is it from 99 to 101?